Good morning. My name is Jay Noftall. I'm a virtual office solutions specialist here at Xerox. One of my roles here at Xerox is to help our customers and our partners understand how Xerox has been differentiated themselves within our industry. First of all, let's talk about a little different industry. Let's go cell phones. Why do we feel we're at the same level as some of those guys? Let's talk about that for a few moments. So first of all, Apple. Great company, huge company, built tons of great software. They built iOS, the Apple operating system. Amazing piece of software that a lot of people have gravitated towards. We've also got another player in the game, right next door to Apple, we've got Google. They built their own Android platform. Again, I'm an Android user, love my Android. Many Android users out there, many Apple users out there. These guys understand building great software is what makes the difference. Hardware, we can all build great hardware. But it's software that really makes the customer make the choice on what they want to use as an interface every single day. Then there's another company called BlackBerry. They had the best security in the industry. Awesome hardware, huge, huge giant company, and now they've kind of taken a turn for the worse. But what made all these guys really differentiate themselves was this. Apple said, hey, we've got some great software, but we need to build some applications that makes it simple and easy for everybody to buy our software, productive apps, cost-convenient apps, all kinds of really cool, fun apps, games, awesome things they can build. Android said, hey, let's do the same thing on our Google Play Store. So then they, again, don't forget, both of these guys have, some are free, some are paid applications built by outside developers. They don't build their own apps. And then BlackBerry said, hey, let's build BlackBerry World. Let's see if we can jump on the same bandwagon. The problem is this. They didn't do a great job because they couldn't build software and applications to the point they needed to compete with the big players and the Apples and the Androids. What happened to them? They kind of just basically faded away. Right now they say they have 0% market share. Now, why am I bringing this up? Well, let's look at Xerox. What have we done similar to Apple and similar to Google is this. We have now also done the exact same thing. We've created our ConnectKey platform that has been award-winning for years, and it is the best user experience that we can create for our users today. The really neat thing is on top of that, not just building a great platform, we did the same thing that Apple and Android did and Google did, is what? We built an app gallery. Just like Apple and just like Android, you go to your app gallery, you grab the application, you install it on your device. Some are cost-effective applications. Some are productivity applications. There's so many things we can do that's really put us in the same playing field as the Apples and the Androids. We've leveled up ourselves in our own industry. Who says that? Well, it's not just me. It's not just Jay saying that. It's actually Buyers Lab. They're a third-party independent company that assesses the print industry. And they've given Xerox the coveted Software Line of the Year Award 2014, 2015, 2016, and beginning of this year, 2017 once again. Now, let's note one very important feature. That was our last year's version of ConnectKey. The new feature, the new version of ConnectKey we have today, as you see in the screenshot there, is another level up. We really stepped up our game to say we want to continue to take this one award that every single vendor wants. It's Software Line of the Year, and we're going to continue to take it on in the future. And the neat thing about it really is that when you build great software and great applications, it allows you to do a whole bunch of things that the other guys just can't do today. We have specific partners that we partner with, like Apple, unlike Android. They build great software. They don't build applications. Why would they want to waste their time building applications? Let the professional application builders build them themselves, submit them to the companies, the Apples and the Androids. They test them, and if they're good, they put them on their marketplace. Well, guess what? We did the exact same thing. We said, hey, they've done a great job. Let's do the same thing they've done. So what we've done is we have our Partner Application Builder program in which we have separate partners that build applications for us, for our customers. Could be a specific workflow need, whatever you can dream up. We can do it because we have the partners that build them for us. That's what they do. That's their specialty. We built the software. We take the applications for them, put it on our app gallery for our customers to download it. Super, super easy. That's how we feel we're at the peak of the industry today when it comes to software. Now, let's look at Buyers Lab and what they actually said about us. For example, According to our analysis, Xerox offers an unmatched portfolio of both first-party and third-party software solutions that address customers' document-centric pain points and solve business challenges. Again, 4 years in a row, the one award that every vendor wants, because that future-proofs the customer's business from 2, 3, 4 to 5 years down the road and on. So again, that's what Buyers Labs is saying. But why do we talk about software? Let me tell you why. Because anybody can build a box that can copy, print, scan, and fax. We build software that solves business challenges. It's all about the software. And why is it all about the software? Because that, again, as I mentioned, is how you're able to show customers, how our customers are able to have workflow solutions, have things built specifically for their needs. And really, let me ask you one last question. When we talk about as a company, we talk about why Xerox. We say all the great things about what we can do, but really when it comes to this conversation around software, around applications, usability, productivity, all those cool things, it comes into one question. Why not Xerox? Thank you, everybody. Again, Jay Noftall, Virtual Office Solutions Specialist here at Xerox. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.